Welcome back to the Pivot channel, where we're always on the lookout for innovative ways to boost your income. Today we're about to unlock the first 9 of the 18 fantastic phone side hustles that can put $350 a day right into your pocket in 2023. FOP, selling photos and videos online. The first side hustle for this video is FOP. This is perfect for all you photography enthusiasts and videographers out there. FOP allows you to turn your stunning photos and videos into a source of income. Here's how it works. You simply upload your photos and videos to the FOP app. From there, potential buyers, including individuals and businesses, can browse and purchase your content. It's like having your own virtual marketplace for your visual creations. Whether you're into capturing breathtaking landscapes, delicious food shots, or unique and creative videos, FOP gives you the platform to monetize your talents. So, if you're looking to transform your passion for photography and videography into a lucrative side hustle, FOP is a fantastic place to start. Voiceovers. Now let's explore another fantastic side hustle opportunity that's all about using your voice. Voiceovers. If you've got a captivating voice and a flair for storytelling, this could be your ticket to making money online. Here's how it works. You can use your voice to record narrations, commercials, animations, or various other audio content. It's a versatile gig, and the demand for quality voiceovers is continually growing, especially in the world of digital media. Whether it's giving life to animated characters, narrating audiobooks, or lending your voice to advertisements, there's a broad spectrum of possibilities. The best part is, you can offer your voiceover services on popular platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These platforms connect you with clients seeking professional voice talents, making it easier than ever to start your voiceover side hustle and earn money from the comfort of your own home. So if you have a unique voice or a talent for changing your tone and style, don't miss out on the voiceover hustle. It's a rewarding path to explore, and it's just the second of the 9 phone side hustles we're unlocking today. Lime Juicer, charging electric scooters for easy money. Let's dive into our next exciting side hustle, Lime Juicer, where you can turn the streets into your earning playground. If you're looking for a hustle that gets you outdoors and keeps you active, this one's for you. Lime juicing is all about charging electric scooters for Lime, the popular electric scooter rental company. Here's how it works. You'll locate Lime scooters in your area, pick them up, charge them at your home using a regular power outlet, and then release them back into the city for riders to enjoy. It's a fantastic way to make some extra cash while helping to keep electric scooters available for riders in your community. Plus, it's eco-friendly and incredibly flexible. You choose when and how many scooters you want to juice, making it a side hustle that adapts to your schedule. To get started, all you need is a bit of space for charging and a reliable mode of transportation to collect and distribute the scooters. Lime typically provides the necessary equipment, such as charging cables. So if you're up for some adventure, consider becoming a Lime juicer and start earning in a way that benefits both you and the environment. Clarityfm, providing expert advice online. Let's move on to another fantastic side hustle that's perfect for those of you with specialized knowledge and expertise. It's called Clarityfm, and it's your gateway to sharing your wisdom and making money in the process. Clarityfm is a platform that connects experts like you with individuals and businesses seeking guidance in specific fields. Whether you're a marketing guru, a financial whiz, a tech genius, or an expert in any other domain, you can offer your insights and advice to those who need it. The best part is, you can do it all on your terms. You set your own rates and your availability, making it a highly flexible way to monetize your expertise. It's like having your own consultancy, but without the hassle of managing a traditional business. If you're ready to share your knowledge, help others, and earn money in the process, Clarityfm might be your perfect side hustle. So, whether you're an experienced professional or just starting out in your field, don't miss this opportunity to turn your expertise into a lucrative income stream. Restaurant delivery through mobile apps. Restaurant delivery, a simple and satisfying side hustle facilitated by platforms like DoorDash, lets you turn your vehicle into a money-making tool. Your role is straightforward. Collect delectable meals from local eateries and deliver them to hungry customers. It's a win-win. You choose your working hours, and they savor their favorite dishes at home. Whether you seek extra income or a full-time gig, restaurant delivery offers flexibility and profitability. Plus, you'll explore your city and discover new culinary delights. If you have wheels and a desire for additional earnings, this hustle is perfect for you. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Thumbtack, offering local services online. Now let's delve into a practical side hustle that allows you to put your skills and expertise to good use within your local community. Have you ever considered offering your services for hire, be it as a handyman, tutor, event planner, or any other specialized skill you possess? That's where Thumbtack comes in. It's a platform that connects you with people in your area who are seeking your assistance. Think of Thumbtack as a marketplace for local services, a place where you can display your abilities and start earning from them. It's a great opportunity to turn your skills into a source of income, whether you're fixing things around the house or sharing your knowledge with others. What's particularly appealing is that you have the autonomy to decide what services you provide and set your own rates. So if you're looking to make money doing what you love or assisting others with your talents, Thumbtack might be the perfect fit for you. Ruttin, cashback for online shopping. Ready to make money while you shop? Well, it's not too good to be true. Our next side hustle is all about earning cashback when you shop online. If you're someone who loves to snag deals and discounts while filling up your cart, this one's for you. Introducing Ruttin, the ultimate way to get paid for the online shopping you're already doing. Whether you're shopping for clothes, gadgets, or even booking a vacation, Ruttin offers cashback at thousands of your favorite retailers. It's like getting paid to shop. So as you explore the digital aisles and add items to your cart, you're also stacking up the cashback. It's an effortless way to turn your shopping addiction into a money-making venture. Affiliate marketing. Now let's dive into a side hustle that has transformed ordinary folks into digital entrepreneurs, all while sitting in the comfort of their homes. Affiliate marketing. Picture this. You share products or services you love, and when someone makes a purchase through your recommendation, you earn a commission. Whether you're passionate about tech gadgets, fashion trends, or wellness products, there's an affiliate program waiting for you. Social media influencers, bloggers, and website owners have been cashing in on this hustle for years, and now it's your turn. Showcasing Etsy with AI-generated art. Alright hustlers, this last side hustle for today's video is a creative twist that combines technology and art to help you make money. We're talking about showcasing Etsy with AI-generated art. Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create unique and mesmerizing art pieces. Whether you're into digital artwork or want to print your designs on physical products like posters or mugs, Etsy is the perfect platform to showcase your AI-generated creations. With the global rise of digital art appreciation, there's a growing market for these innovative, AI-inspired pieces. Plus, it's not just about the creation. You'll also learn how to list your items effectively and market them to the right audience. If you enjoy the harmonious blend of AI technology and artistic expression, then this side hustle is perfect for you. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.